What's up to another video of the Katana Bojutsu. This time we're not only going to be using a real katana, but also a baton. Well, hang on. There you go. They could turn into dual katanas. If you haven't seen that video, check it out right there. But we're going to go ahead and use these for today. And also, huge shout outs for all these people right here who are posting their suggestions about what else they can add with the Katana Bojutsu style. And you can also use a baton, or like this comment right here, use a baton. My dog keeps throwing up for some reason. A baton sword, or use anything else that you can use in your hand too. You can use a screamer stick, pretty much. It's literally, as long as you have the Katana Bojutsu style technique down, it'll be easier and useful. And of course, it's a flow. So it's a movement for right now, teaching the basic movements of how this goes. And it will work out tremendously well for you. And for right now, what we're going to be working on, a Katana Bojutsu technique that you saw in one of my previous videos, especially this one right here. And I'm going to teach you how to do that yourself. But be careful. I would still prefer you guys use a practice katana and of course a practice bow staff. Anything that doesn't involve you getting hurt, because these are actual real weapons and they will actually hurt. But trust and believe, useful. So let's get on to it. So here's how the technique will look like. That's the technique, Katana Bojutsu technique. So here we go. So first we're going to go ahead and get into our stance right here. Go to a forward stance along with a katana right here, bow staff right there. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and lean up right here, load up to do a tornado kick. And if you don't know how to do a tornado kick, let me know in the comments. I'll hook you up. So go ahead and lift that knee up, and then quickly switch feet, kick, turn around, go ahead and bring that katana down below with a bow staff on the armpit. And then we're going to go ahead and then lift our right katana up, and go ahead and switch it up to, make sure your hand on your bow staff is right here, pretty much halfway between the bottom end of the stick and near the middle. And then bring it up here, bring it right under our armpit, and of course behind the back. And then this part's going to get a little tricky, so go ahead and take your time with this technique right here. So we're going to go ahead and use our right katana again, and then twist, go ahead and twirl it under, go ahead and put it under our armpit like this. Like you better go ahead and do like a Deadpool spin slash, and then slash. Now this is optional. Go ahead and do the katana back along with the bow staff. I'll do it one more time. Here, go ahead and twirl it up like this. Twirl the katana like that way, and then back this way. Once again, all together it's going to look like this. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Katana Bojutsu technique that I want you all to practice. Take your time with it. Again, try it with a practice bow staff and of course a practice katana. These right here are dangerous weapons. This is an actual military grade weapon. Check it. I really don't want none of you trying anything too dangerous. Get used to the technique first, then upgrade. Really. But let me know how it goes for you. Thank you so much for joining. And if you want to see more Katana Bojutsu techniques along with Katana Kamado, like so, go ahead and put it down in the comments down below. Subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. Katana Bojutsu style. Baila.